Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the investing.com application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the investing.com application on your smartphone, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page where you will be shown various different guides. Now, right from the home page, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner and you will find the Sign Up button at the top left. Go ahead and tap on Sign Up, and now you have two different options of signing up. You can either use your Google account or your Facebook account to continue signing up for a shortcut. Or you can also sign up with the email and the username method by typing in your first and your last name, followed by your desired email address, and then the password that you want to set for your account. Go ahead and tap on Sign Up via email, and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that you have received within your email. Go ahead and check your inbox, and you will find an email that you received from investing.com. This will contain a 6-digit code that you will need to enter within this screen. Type in your code and tap on the Verify Code button, and now you will successfully be signed up for your new investing.com account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.